Firstly, Happy New Year to everyone. With it being the first video of the new year, I wanted to do a video because a lot of people at this point are wanting to, do new habits in their life with it being a new year. Now, there's one habit that I think a lot of producers should get in the habit of doing, and that is testing anything and everything. And the reason why I say that is it's going to give you essentially data to know what's working and what's not. A lot of the time when I have a client in or I'm working on a client's track, they'll say one of the things that you do a lot that I don't do or don't do enough is test stuff. And what I mean by that is it can be testing anything and everything. So, try something an octave up, an octave down, a 16th later, a 16th before. Just test everything, because without testing, you're not going to know if it's going to work or not. Or from that test, do I need to go up higher? Is it too high? Is it too low? Or do I need to find a middle ground? Same with sound design or any dial that you're touching when it comes to production. If you don't test it higher or lower or in between, you're never going to know where that right setting is. So if you can get in the habit of constantly testing something, it's going to massively help get you to that better track quicker. Now, one thing I see a lot with clients sometimes is they'll ask that question of, oh, can I do this or can I not do that? Or, should I do this or shouldn't I? And I'm like, try it and test it and see. It's the only way you're going to know if something sounds better or it doesn't. So if there's one habit for this year that I'd suggest a lot of producers getting into whether you're new to production or you've been doing it a long time, is get in that habit of constantly testing something. It's massively helped me. It allows me to get that information down quicker and get to the point that I want to be with a track much faster. So again, Happy New Year. I wish you all the best for you producing this year, and yeah, more videos to come. And if you haven't yet done so, please hit the subscribe and notification bell. And if you are struggling with your productions, then be sure to head over to allanmorrowstudios.com, where there is so many tools to help you, whether that's MIDI packs, sample packs, Ableton racks, start to finish courses, templates, and everything else you can think of to help you succeed with producing some trance. So yeah, thanks a lot guys. Cheers.